In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run your own affiliate program with Systeme.io. First, let's get started by opening up your preferred web browser and entering Systeme.io into the search bar. Once you've pulled up the site, you'll need to log in using your credentials. If you're already familiar with the layout, navigate to your dashboard. Now, focus your attention on the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile picture. Click on that icon, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. This is a hub for all your configurations, so you'll be coming back here often. As you scan through the menu on the left-hand side, find the Affiliate Program option and click on it. This section allows you to adjust key settings for your affiliate program. Let's talk about commission percentages. Here, you can define the default commission rate you want to offer for your products. It's crucial to choose a percentage that incentivizes affiliates while still maintaining profitability for your business. Once set, you can also specify a payout delay to accommodate any potential refund requests. This ensures that you're covered and prevents overpayments to affiliates prematurely. Next, let's generate those all-important affiliate links. Stay in the settings area and head back into the affiliate program, then go to Affiliate Proxy Links. Click on the Create button. This is where your creativity comes into play. Enter a label for the link, choose a domain that aligns with your funnel, usually the same one used for your opt-in or payment page, and paste the URL of your sales page. Systeme.io then works its magic, creating a proxy link that automatically embeds the affiliate ID for smooth, error-free tracking. With your affiliate infrastructure set up, it's time to add value through a product and funnel designed specifically for affiliates. Add a new step to your funnel by choosing Order Form as the page type. This is pivotal because within these settings, you can tailor the affiliate commission specifically for each product. This level of customization helps balance your rewards according to the efforts required to promote different products. Once you've laid the groundwork, turn your attention to design. Create captivating landing pages, streamlined order forms, and reassuring thank you pages that take potential customers from interest to purchase with minimal friction. As you build your affiliate network, develop a dedicated opt-in page where new affiliates can easily subscribe. Automation is your best friend here. Set up an automation rule to dispatch a welcome email to new subscribers. The personal touch makes a big difference, so make sure this message includes the affiliate ID and affiliate dashboard placeholders. This way, affiliates instantly know their unique ID and can access their personalized dashboards. Finally, you're ready to share the affiliate program and product links with your growing network of potential affiliates. Once armed with their resources, your affiliates can log into their Systeme.io dashboards to keep tabs on their referrals, sales, and commissions, keeping everything transparent and easily accessible. There you have it. Your affiliate program is up, running, and poised for success with Systeme.io. Happy promoting!